In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect tabs in Google Sheets. Whether you're sharing a spreadsheet with colleagues or managing a complex project, it's crucial to ensure certain parts of your sheets remain untouched by unauthorized hands. Let's dive into how you can set up these protections effortlessly. First, within your Google Sheet, take a look at the bottom where your tabs are displayed. You'll want to start by clicking on the drop-down arrow that's located next to the tab you wish to protect. This drop-down is your gateway to several helpful options, including our primary focus today, privacy and protection settings for your data. Once you have that drop-down open, go ahead and select Protect Sheet from the list of options. This action will initiate the protection setup process. After you click on Protect Sheet, you'll see a new pane appear on the right side of your screen. This pane is crucial as it presents you with choices about what exactly you want to lock down. Your next step is to decide which specific sheets you want to protect. A prompt will guide you through selecting those sheets. It's essential to choose wisely, especially in shared environments where multiple sheets might exist. You can hover over each sheet in the list and select the ones that need protection, enabling you to maintain control over crucial data or formulas. If the intention is to protect only a particular range within your sheet, say a few specific cells containing sensitive data, click on Range. This option allows you to specify the exact cells that need to be locked, ensuring only the necessary parts of your data are secured, while leaving others available for collaboration. Once you've completed selecting your sheets or ranges, it's crucial to click on Set Permissions. Here, you customize who can edit the protected areas. Maybe you want to be the sole editor, or perhaps you're opening it up to a select group of trusted colleagues. This step is your opportunity to define those boundaries clearly. After setting permissions, you're presented with options, such as Only You, to restrict editing access exclusively to yourself, or extending permissions to other collaborators who require editing abilities. It's all about tailoring access according to the needs of your project or team. Finally, once you've set everything to your satisfaction, click on Done. By doing so, you're sealing all your changes and effectively locking down the sections of the sheet you selected. This completion marks your successful setup of protection for your Google Sheets tabs. These straightforward steps ensure that your data remains safe from unintended alterations. Setting protective boundaries within Google Sheets is an essential skill, enabling you to share your work without worrying about unwelcome changes. Thank you for tuning in, and hopefully, this guide has empowered you to manage your spreadsheets with greater confidence and security.